Hi kids. Ayan. Last time, pinag-aralan natin yung clock. Sabi natin na yung clock ay nagbibigay ng oras or the clock tells time. So we have parts of clock. The long hand is the minute hand. The short hand is the hour hand. And yung thin hand, that is yung color red natin, ay yan ang seconds hand. Okay. Let's proceed to our lesson. So our lesson for today is measurement. So what is measurement? A smaller object can be used as non-standard unit to measure a long object. So let's say we have this pencil and the pencil is blank paper clips long. So how long is the pencil using the paper clip? So what will you do is to count the paper clips from the tip to the end of the pencil. So let's count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the pencil is 8 paper clips long. Okay, another example. How about this brush? The brush is blank bottle caps long. So how long is the measurement of the brush using the bottle caps? Again, we will count the bottle caps from the tip to the end. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 bottle caps. So the brush is 9 bottle caps long. Now, how about this ruler? So how long is the ruler using these cubes? Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the ruler is 5 cubes long. Okay, how about this envelope? Using this picture, how envelope is blank crayons long. Okay, how long the envelopes using the crayons? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the envelope is 5 crayons long. So these are the example of non-standard using the objects to measure the other objects. The length. The length, width, and height of an object can be measured in centimeter using the ruler. Okay. The common units for measuring length are meter and centimeter. But now, we will use the centimeter. Okay. This is the ruler. Okay, I know that all of you are already see the ruler. So the widest, yung nakabaliktad na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hanggang 6 inches yan, kids. So the centimeter, yung ruler na yan, yung mga maliliit na mga guhit, yung mga small lines. Okay, these are the centimeters. May nakalagay na cm. Ang basa dun sa cm ay centimeters. Okay, let's say this one. So how long is this arrow? From here, okay, to here. So how long siya? If we measure this arrow, so this is what? So it ends in this long line. This line is number 5. So that is 5 centimeter. So, okay, that is 5 centimeter. How about this one? Okay, so this rectangle from here to the end. So it measure. So this is 10. That's why this is 10 centimeter. Ayan, no? Okay, it's in the 10 centimeter. Okay, now this trapezoid. Okay, so from here to here, so it's not from 8 and it's not 9. So that is in the middle of 8 and 9. So what will you do is you will count the number from here, that is 8. Then you will count the line. 1, okay, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this uh, medium long line, that is 5. So what we write is 8, then 0.5 centimeter. So this is 8. You will write the 8. Then if you count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 0.5 centimeter. Okay, next. This oval. Okay, so from here to here. So that is not 11 and 12. That is in between 11 and 12. So we will count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so these are 5. So that is 11.5 centimeter. Okay, so that is easy. Okay, and next time I will teach you how to measure the mass. Okay, now for your activity, please do or please get your worksheet. Okay, pages 10, 11, and 12 for your activity. Ayan. Page 11, 10, 11, 12 for your activity. Okay? So that's it for today and see you again. Goodbye.